Hello class. So today I will be showing you how to make your PowerPoint presentation on PowerPoint. So for your assignment in class, you will need to look at the Black Panther Party documents and do a summary, and then you will present it to the class. So first, for the title page, you'll definitely need to put a title. It doesn't necessarily have to be the title shown, and you'll put your name along with the names of the students in your group. So beginning, we'll go right up here to the top ribbon and we'll click design. It's imperative that your slides are not plain. So let's go ahead and add a design. This one looks like it's a good one. So now on the right side, it gives you a design ideas. So we'll go and slide down and look at some of them. I think that this one looks pretty cool, so we'll go with that one. So you have your title slide and you have the names. For the next slide, we'll go here. And on your second slide, you will need to have the name of your title of the document as well as the picture of the document. So we'll go ahead and look at the design for this slide. I think I like the one that was already selected. Since we do need the picture of our document, we'll go ahead and go to the Insert tab. Now, I've already saved the picture, and you should save the picture when you get it to your computer so that you're able to download it. So here it's named Picture 1. So we'll go ahead and insert that. And when you insert the picture, it again gives you document designs. And we'll just continue to go with this one. So now that you have your picture included, you'll go to your next slide. This is a summary slide. So this is where you'll go ahead and explain what happened in the document. So in this document, ... and then you'll have your summary page. Now, if you want to be fancy, you can add different animations. So we'll go back to our title slide. And we'll say, for the Black Panther Party, we want it to appear in. So that's one thing you could do. So it's a very simple assignment, but you can make it fun with different designs. You've learned how to insert a picture as well as add a animation. So now that we're finished with the presentation, we'll go ahead and always save it. Save it to our documents, and we'll save it as Black Panther Party Summary. Thank you all so much for watching.